Hey guys, today's topic is intended setting for weight loss. Diet plan to drop weight loss for runner. Your weight loss journey begins with environmental acceptable goals. However, you want to sit pounds as instantly are available, but it be allow not be the healthiest prime. If you lost extra 2 pounds per week, you can advantage to nutrition deficiencies, muscle loss, and others. That say you will lose weight at an energetic rate when you fast knock off your food intake. This original weight loss is mostly water. Your weight loss will learn to slow down after first 1 to 3 weeks of your new lifestyle. Then you stabilize weight loss should settle 1 to 2 pounds per week. Next, during extreme diet changes are unsuitable. Your diet would not be outstanding if you disqualify everything you like to eat. It's challenging to piece to a diet that takes all the comfort out of food. That is why studies show your diet weight loss plan will be more outstanding if you have proper cheat days. On the other hand, it's available to cut calories without eliminating positive foods at all. Seasonal fasting allows you eat as you normally would, but it cuts down all of our calorie intake by limiting the hours in which you eat. As a notice, you will lose weight by merely shake up your eating lineup. When you are ready to take your higher treatment to the next level, consider dieting and eliminating just a few of the most unsound foods. These are simple carbohydrates and refined grains, and prepared and natural sugars, including fruit juices, fat food high in salt, sugar, and trans fat. Also, soda, juice, and alcohol are full of empty calories, so drink water instead. If you drink water before meals, you will even eat low. Many diet lists require to you count calories at meals, which is another untenable diet method. It's important to look up the number of calories in all that you eat. Weight your proteins and measure your vegetables. And if you are going to calculation calories, you have to measure your food. Studies so highest of us undermined how much you eat to the turn of 1000 calorie daily life. As a beginner, it's best to keep things simple. Cut down your all-round calories intake by restricting your eating window rather of calorie counting. Eat all your meals and snack 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and don't eat anything outside your average but water, coffee, or tea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest videos.